Video. We are in 97.1. El Yunque, ratata.
Vamos a El Yunque.
Ooh! I was walking backwards. I ran right into your ass. What? We in the rainforest now, nigga. Yo, yo. What is that?
Snail shell, dude.
Cool. Eat it.
Check that fucking thing out.
Bring it home.
Do what with it?
I don't know. Turn into a necklace or something.
Cool.
Oh, look at this little fucking shack up here. What the hell is this? Steepest road in goddamn America. Or Puerto Rico. Yo, man, I found your mom's old chicken coop.
What?
What's a kind of weird chicken coop? El Yunque.
Well, this shit's steep, dude.
Yeah, this is like fucking 40 degrees. Straight pain.
Wow.
Could have been worse. We could have had to walk up the whole thing.
What?
You walking sideways?
Good, man, cool rock shit, dude.
That's a workout.
Yeah, wow.